up, YouTube? It's your girl Mac, and I'm back with another beauty hack that is for your hair. It's supposed to be a 5-minute beach wave hair hack. Now, I love me some beach waves, but it takes me forever to get that shit done. Whether you're using a curling iron or a flat iron to accomplish that look, it takes me forever. And so I found on Pinterest this beauty hack where you can get it done in like 5 minutes. So I'm going to put it to the test and let's see if this really works, because if it does, it's going to change my life. Just a side note, there's a change in location. I'm in my master bathroom right now doing this tutorial beauty hack video because it's all a mess in my beauty laboratory right now. So I had to do it in here. There's a lot of stuff going on in there. So my hair is already wet. It says you gotta have damp hair to accomplish this look, doing the 5-minute beach wave hair tutorial. You just gotta put a few products in your hair and then we'll go from there. So the first product I'm going to be putting in my hair is a Redken Pillow Proof Blow Dry Express Treatment Primer. And this is supposed to be a time-saving blow dry primer with heat protection. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my hair. So the product I just put in my hair, that's going to help against heat damage. So that's why I put that in my hair. The second product that I'm going to be putting in my hair is the AG Hair Care Sea Spray. It's supposed to give you a beachy wave finish. It says you put it in damp hair, so I'm going to go ahead and spritz that in my hair. Okay, so the third thing we need to do is part the hair down the middle. Now that that's all done, you put half of your hair to one side. I'm going to just clip this back so it's out of the way. So now we're on to the actual hair hack itself, and that's where you take the hair and you're supposed to twist it away from yourself. Once you have your hair twisted away from yourself, you're supposed to blow dry the twisted, like, kind of ponytail thing that this is, and then it's supposed to give you beach waves. So let's see if it really works. Okay, so moment of truth. Nothing. Nothing. Okay, so first impression, no, it doesn't create any kind of beach wave. It just looks like blow dried hair. So in my opinion, they're full of shit, and this this completely wasted my time. Like, that's like five or more minutes of my life that I'm never fucking gonna get back. I'm never gonna do this again. I'm gonna grab that damn flat iron and do it the old-fashioned way. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hope it helped y'all. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And we will see you Friday for Fab 5 Friday. It's gonna be a special edition one, and I'll see you then.